Hey Scott, this is Watson at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. I'm going to give you a quick video walk around on this 23 GLE 53 Coupe. Now this was built in Selenite gray. It's got the upgraded black leather, exclusive NAPPA leather. You've also got the upgraded wood trim on the inside, wheel locking bolts, all-season mats, NAPPA leather dashboard. So super highly equipped. You've got the driver assistance package, parking assistance, and night package. So very heavily equipped GLE 53 Coupe that shows extremely nicely in the classic Selenite gray. So as we come around the vehicle, you can see the aggressive front end and the night package, which blackens out the chrome that would normally go around the windows for that sort of black and gray theme. And then of course you've got the rear of the vehicle. I don't know if you had a chance to drive one of these, but they're very exciting, high powered, and that's how your back opens up there. Let's walk around and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. And you'll notice this is equipped with a dual 12.3-inch monitors up front. You do have an oversized roof above, and of course you have your luscious black NAPPA leather, and feel the wheel, just gorgeous sport wheel. Very nice vehicle. Love to talk to you in more detail, Scott, about this particular vehicle. Again, my name is Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, 207-510-2284. Thank you.